Ever wonder how those strong, clear glass bottles holding your favorite drinks are made? It's a surprisingly fast and fascinating industrial process. It all begins with sand, but not just any sand. We're talking about a special type called silica sand, which is the main component of glass. Other crucial ingredients are added: soda ash to lower the melting point, limestone for stability, and recycled glass called cullet to save energy. These raw materials are meticulously weighed and mixed together in precise ratios, ensuring the perfect glass composition. The prepared mixture is then fed into an incredibly hot furnace, the heart of the glassmaking operation. Inside, temperatures soar to over 1700 degrees Celsius, completely melting everything into a glowing molten liquid. This thick, syrupy, molten glass then flows out of the furnace through a controlled spout. A precise cutting mechanism snips the flowing glass into individual measured portions called gobs. Each super-hot gob quickly drops into an initial mold, shaping it into a basic parison or preform of the bottle. This parison is then swiftly transferred by robotic grippers to a second, much larger blow mold. Compressed air is powerfully blown into the parison, forcing the soft glass to expand and perfectly fill the mold's cavity. In mere seconds, a brand new bottle is formed. The mold opens and the still very hot bottle is ejected. These hot bottles travel through an annealing oven where they cool slowly and evenly. This crucial step removes stress and makes them incredibly strong. After cooling, advanced machines and human eyes thoroughly inspect each bottle for any defects, ensuring top quality. Finally, the perfect, high-quality bottles are carefully packed onto pallets and shipped out, ready for use globally. So, from simple grains of sand to a strong, reusable container, it's an amazing high-speed journey of transformation.